travel because I become uncomfortable being too comfortable. Doing doing what you like is freedom. Liking what you do is happiness. Live your life by a compass, not a clock. Go where you feel most alive. After all, friends are the family we are allowed to choose.
हम सफर में तो है, हम सफर है नहीं, दूर जाता रहा, पास आता रहा।
Travel makes you realize that no matter how much you know, there is always much to learn.
तो छुपा के रखा था सजा के तूने मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लिया यारा।
It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Travel with friends is blessed.
रातों के हम चल घर चले मेरे हमदम होंगे जुदा ना।
And this is India.
सफर शुरू हो गया, हम सफर तू हो गया, तो सफर शुरू हो गया मेरा, हम सफर तू हो गया।
This place gave us so many memories. Bogatha waterfalls. From Hyderabad to Bogatha waterfalls, it is around 277 kilometers. From Warangal, it's 132 kilometers something around. But this is the best place I ever seen.
छूटे ना ओ अल्लाह